Right, so in last month's income report video, which I'm pretty sure you all watched, if you didn't, what the hell, man? Help a brother out. I talked about how I had to do a fresh batch of keyword research, both for competitive and high search volume keywords there. Now, to speed up the process, this time I decided to use Ahrefs just to speed run the process because I am quite familiar now with undertaking keyword research. But that said, if this is your first time undertaking keyword research, as a beginner, there is one crucial mistake that's super easy to make if you are using tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, all of those different ones there. As such then, in today's video, I'm gonna break down what that one mistake is and how to overcome it. Okay, so what exactly is the problem then? Okay, so let's say you just sign up to Ahrefs to find brand new keywords for your particular niche. Maybe your niche for your website is cars and you decided to go after the subtopic of Mercedes. So keywords relating to Mercedes essentially is what you're looking for in Ahrefs. The most common way then that beginners will use Ahrefs then is that they'll jump into the system, go to the Keyword Explorer, search for the main keyword they're going after, scroll down, and then scroll down to the questions tab to find those long-tailed search results. They will then filter these results just to ensure that they're either low or zero search volume / competition there, and essentially just download them in a CSV and write those posts there and then on the spot. Now in theory, you're probably thinking, hey Fahed, what the hell is wrong with that? That's the way I do it. It seems to be working out for me perfectly fine. If it is, fantastic, good for you. In reality, however, the truth of the matter is that we most definitely need to double check all of these keywords and all of these different searches there just to make sure they are good for us to go after. And you're basically just doing your due diligence there. So what the hell do I mean by this? Well, according to Ahrefs, the keyword and search term, what kind of suspension does a 2080s Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 have, is not only low search volume, but it's also low competition there as well. If then we were just to go after that keyword there and then on the spot without actually checking any of the searches and just writing it to the best of our ability, you would be in a massive rude awakening, because if you look over the results, we can see just how damn competitive they are. As such, the big takeaway from this video is if you are using any of these tools like Ahrefs, like SEMrush, there's thousands of them on the marketplace now, just please make sure that you are triple checking the results yourself, just to make sure that they're all right there. Now, this is not to say that these keyword platform tools don't have any significance there. For example, once you're able to go after those more competitive keywords, once you have a little bit more domain authority, you can most definitely go after and use these tools for those massive high search volume keywords. But as a beginner, make sure you're triple checking everything. Now, another quick thing just to mention there is that these tools aren't indeed perfect, and they also forget about a lot of the keyword traffic that's out there as well. If we were to find the term, do Mercedes mirrors crack in the cold, you can see in Google that that's a pretty decent keyword for us to go after. Quite a few forums on the first page of Google there. However, searching this term in Ahrefs, we can see that it's pretty much non-existent. We just couldn't find it essentially. So it's not the be all and end all, and there's thousands of keywords out there for your individual niche that they're probably not displaying there as well. So there you have it, blogging family. Just a quick one that I wanted to get at this week. Normal business will be resumed next week with an August blog update video, so we'll take it from there. But until then, wishing the best of luck with your blogs, with your sales, with your side hustles, whatever it might be. And until next week's video, we'll leave it there for now. All the best. Have a good one.